Hey everyone, welcome back. If your YouTube shorts are stuck at 0 views, don't panic. In this video, I'll explain why it happens and how to fix it step by step in 2026. Step 1. Check if your channel is eligible. YouTube Shorts monetization and full reach require your channel to be in the YouTube Partner Program. If your account is new or doesn't meet the minimum subscriber and watch time requirements, shorts may get limited visibility. Step 2. Ensure your shorts are under 60 seconds. Only videos 60 seconds or shorter count as shorts. Longer videos are treated as regular uploads and may not get the shorts shelf traffic. Step 3. Review content guidelines. Original, advertiser-friendly content is favored. Reused clips, copyrighted music, or sensitive topics can limit your reach. Always upload unique, engaging, and safe content. Step 4. Check visibility settings. Make sure your short is set to public and not private or unlisted. Even a single misclick can prevent it from showing to viewers. Step 5. Monitor traffic sources. Shorts from low CPM regions or external links may show slower initial views. Traffic from the shorts shelf in Tier 1 countries like the US, UK, or Canada performs best. Step 6. Be patient. New uploads sometimes take a few hours or even a day to start showing views. Don't delete or re-upload immediately. Let the system process your short. Step 7. Optimize engagement signals. High retention, likes, and shares. Tell the algorithm your short is valuable. The more engagement, the faster views start rolling in. So if your YouTube shorts are stuck at 0 views, it's usually about eligibility, length, content, or processing. Not a bug. Follow these steps and your shorts should start getting traffic. And that's how to fix YouTube shorts stuck at 0 views, step by step, in 2026. Like the video, subscribe for more creator tips, and I'll see you in the next one.